Hello everyone, I'm Karthik. So we will learn today about the Flutter lifecycle. It is as important as you know about the Flutter developer roles. It is also the important question to ask in the interview in recent times if you are applying to the Flutter developer role. Okay, so let's know about it, the lifecycle of the Flutter. Before starting it, I want to know about the life cycle of the human beings. Okay, so the I want to explain the major three states that we are going through in our life. That is, we wake daily. Okay, we eat and we sleep. So basically, these are all the states that we have to manage daily. Okay, so even if one is not included, then we might collapse. Okay, so that is the major reason that how the question belongs to the Flutter now. So how this Flutter works, I mean the how the page loads, how the page deactivates. Okay, so that is the life cycle. Okay, so let's know about this. So majorly the life cycle consists of the Flutter is all about the widgets. So stateless and stateful widgets that we are majorly talking about now. So yeah, so stateless and stateful. Oh, just sorry about the handwriting. Just get rid of that. Okay. Stateless and stateful. So we are talking about the stateless now. Stateless means when it's built, when the widget is built, it's done. Okay. You can't change the state of the widget after build. Okay. So stateless consists of the only one method, the one what you can say constructor state, that is build. Okay, so build method is only called in the stateless class. Okay, the stateless widget. Then coming to the stateful widgets. So stateful widgets, quite opposite to that, it can change the state of the widget. We can change the state of the widget. So there are certain methods by using the stateful widgets. So first is the create state. I mean the calling, the stepwise calling of these functions are like this. The create state is first called in the stateful widget. Okay, then it should call the build. So before calling build, it might call the mounted state. Okay, so mounted is nothing but the initial state. Before calling the init state, it will call mounted, so that the all the variables and the state will be in loading. Okay, so mounted will be true after the create state. Okay, so these are the important in the stateful widgets, the create state and the build. Okay, so whether you include the many states like a init state, so there are so many. So let's go on to the stateful widgets, nothing but okay. So coming to the stateful widgets, there are so many states are the methods are called, such like you can call the init state, so that you can initialize the variables, or call the API, whatever. So init state, then build, then let's say dispose. These are two widely methods that we use in any Flutter project. So dispose is basically it will call if you are not using that current page. Okay, you pop that page and the all activities are disposed. Okay, just like you are sleeping daily, so all your activities are disposed. Init state, it will call after the mount. Okay, so let's see an example. I go through the example. Just like a counter app, I created a new project, the default application of any Flutter. So let's call it in this stateless widget, the my app, you know about this. So let's print the build stateless. I'm just printing so that you can understand how it works. The build in the stateful widget. Then let's call the init state. Okay, so let's create another page so that this post will be called. Otherwise, it will not return. We get till we get back. So let's say second page. I'm just creating the. There are also shortcut to create a stateful widget, stateless widget. STL is a short form. STAnim is the. You can create the animation controller by the STAnim. Stateful widget STF. So let's say it's the second page. We are navigating. Okay, let's import. You can use control alt enter the imports. So I'm just printing this one. So let's call here the dispose. Now we will get after this run how it works. Yep, let's do this. I want to mention the set state is also the method that you can use in stateful widget majorly, so that the framework will notify the set state is used to notify the framework that the state is changed. Okay, so yeah, now we are in the main. We printed the build stateless. So first it is called, obviously, because it's a stateless widget that will call in the main run app my app. Then we written the my home page, okay, which is a stateful widget. So it called the first the init state, as I said, the init state. After creating the state, okay, this create state is called. We are not printing that create state. Init state, after that it is called. Then build, that is build stateful, is called. Okay, this is likewise the activity. If I press the counter button, let's see. So build stateful is called. Why? Because it is the set state function that is calling. Okay, so set state counter plus plus means the widget is rebuilding. Okay, so the widget of the the text that we have written, it is rebuilding. That's why the build is called build stateful. Okay, so let me know in the comment section that you understand this or not. So we are going to the next page now. Let's write one button to navigate into next page. Okay, let's say material button. To navigate, we can use a navigator push. So these are all convention to use to navigate to the other page. So my second page is called let's have the button name. Go to second page. Then let's say color. Okay, just for spacing. We will see the button. Okay, I just hot reload that. Go to next page. So it will go to the next page. Actually, I didn't return the scaffold. Okay, let's. So scaffold is also important to make the root widget as like this. Okay, so same as like that, stateful is called. Then I'm pressing the back button. So the dispose is called in second page. Okay, as I return this because it is popped. Okay, the page is no longer used. Okay, so that's why dispose is called. So there are so many methods that you can use in this. Okay, and the default overridden functions are called in Flutter activity lifecycle. So I just go through. You just go through this link. I will share in this description the stateful class. Or however, the all the properties constructor, the methods, all are written by the Flutter documentation itself. Okay, so I can go through and let me know in the comment section that you facing any issues. Let's see. Okay, then it's all about the Flutter lifecycle. We'll meet in next video. Thank you all.